What's up, I'm Karl, and this video is easy as pie. I'm showing you how to set up a live YouTube stream. This is a recording of how I set it up. It's actually pretty easy. I'm here in my YouTube channel right now. If I were able to just go to generic YouTube, there is a button here. It says create a video or post. Look at that. Upload video or go live. So when you hit go live, it's going to go ahead and it's going to pull up a quick screen. You'll see here that I can put a title, easy as pie 2. Now, I'm not actually going to go ahead and set this one up, but you do have the options. If you want to just experiment with it, this is what I did the first time, to go in here and just click private. Unlisted makes it so that you can share and give the link to everyone. So that would be something that you could do in an email. Public means, of course, everybody can search it and find it. So that is it. You make a smile. Hello. Okay. So it does a little smile here. It gives you a thumbnail, and then you go live. Okay. So again, my goal isn't to do that. Once you're in there, you can actually see I put another video that shows how to do that. You'll see here, if you look in Creator Studio, that there is a live streaming section. So you can go back through. This stream now is like what I just said. You see there's a nice little checklist of the different things that you have to do. I've noticed the easy as pie thing sort of falls in on itself when we talk about having to set up encoding software and adding stream info. It is as easy as going in like this and choosing get started right here. Or you can go through and you can actually set up an event. So you can say, okay, in 2 weeks, I'm going to have an event and here's how it is. And then there's a little landing page for it and things like that. So if I go in here as events, you can actually do, it's quite cool what you can do. I'll show you to set up a new live event. It gives you some different options that you might be interested in, including working with multiple cameras. So you go in, you set up the title and the date. Test today in an hour. Not really going to happen. So you have the same settings that I showed you there before. I'm going to do this as a private one. It's pretty neat that they have a custom where you can go through and choose a lot of encoding actions or quick. I actually haven't done the Google Hangouts on air, but I think that's nice if you want to do a lot of screen recording and not screen recording, but screen sharing. So it's like, hey, let me show you what the system looks like now, or let me walk you through the design. This custom, I'll go ahead and show you that. When you get into that, you can actually say, okay, camera 1, camera 2, camera 1, camera 2. So there's some different options here with different streams. They're making it a lot easier for you to set up. Even though you may see an error message like this. So you see now I have a main camera and camera 2. I'm going to encourage you to go and explore all of this on your own, but I wanted you to be aware that YouTube streaming has taken a giant step forward and that now it's as easy as pie.